Hello, I'm Stephanie Quine with the Weekly Law Report. For your chance to win 2 tickets to our Women in Law Awards in Melbourne in October, make sure you listen for the question at the end of this week's top stories. A report has revealed that less than 1 in 10 silks in Australia is female. The Australian Women Lawyers Report found that less than 8% of all practising barristers in Australia are female. It's a figure Kate Ashmore has described as astonishing. The report prompted senior barrister Caroline Curtin to slam continuing discrimination against the briefing of female barristers, which is something she says she's watched for over 22 years. Merger partners Herbert Smith and Freehills have opened an office in New York. The office will focus solely on complex cross-border transactions and will target contentious international work. Currently operating as Herbert Smith New York, the office will become part of the merged international network on the 1st of October when the full equity merger takes effect. Telecos, privacy lawyers and the Australian public have all slammed the government's lack of transparency over its controversial data retention proposal. Last week, Attorney General Nicola Roxon appeared to throw support behind the reforms, which would see internet and phone companies retain the data of every user for up to 2 years. Graham Phillips, a technology lawyer at Herbert Gear, said the current discussion paper lacks detail. Privacy groups and critics say the proposal would mean constant surveillance and the beginnings of a police state. The University of Queensland's Law Student Society and Allens jointly hosted a mental health forum on Wednesday night. The lineup of expert speakers included UQ PhD student Rebecca Michalak, who's also a consultant at PsychSafe, as well as the CEO of Beyond Blue, Kate Carnell. Last year, a survey of law students at the university found 47% of respondents had sought treatment for a mental health problem or had contemplated doing so. A UQLS representative, James Semmett, said the competition between law students and the relative isolation they face, as well as perceptions around the elitism of law, compounded mental health problems and issues for law students. For more details on those stories and more, head to our website. And if you've been following our coverage, you may remember the name of a woman who left a high-stress career in the law to become a laughter yoga instructor. If you know the answer, you can email me for your chance to win a double pass to our Women in Law Awards in Melbourne next month. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter and Facebook and join discussions on LinkedIn. I'm Stephanie Quine, thanks for watching.